Yeah. Hey YouTube, it's been a while. My physical health is doing a bit better, so I figured I'd do another video to stay somewhat relevant in this continuing bear market that we have. Crypto and risk on assets in general have seen a little bit of a bounce in the past couple of days, which sure I'll always welcome. But my thoughts on the matter are I would be a little bit skeptical about the long-term sustainability of this rally. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Nothing I say is financial advice. But my thinking is that there is still more downside to come, even if it's a month or two out. But I think it's probably going to come sooner than that. Don't forget the Fed is going to be deciding what kind of rate hikes to implement here soon. And that will definitely have an impact on the markets. It's possible that they've already priced in a 1% hike, and maybe it won't have as big of an impact. But my feeling is that we just still have some more pain to go. That being said, the little rally has been nice to see. So enjoy it if you can. Do whatever you're doing and keep on keeping on. With that being said, I also wanted to touch base on some other random things that I'm involved in. Helium, obviously, still really struggling. I knew that it would take a long time to fix the proof of coverage stuff that they've been having issues with, but I didn't think it would take this long. It's been like 3 months now, and I'm starting to kind of wonder where they are on that at all, because they're starting to take votes and implementations on a lot of other improvements, HIPs, and they're barely even finished with the last one, and there's other things that they never even addressed, like the redenomination. Like, I have no idea where that is even. There was supposed to be a redenomination of the Helium token. All sorts of things. So I don't know. Let me know, guys, if you have any inside information on that stuff. What's going on? Leave me a comment. Leave me a comment regardless. Like and subscribe. Always fishing for some likes and subscribes. My last video got quite a few views. I'm not sure why. I was kind of just messing around a little bit, having some fun, and I titled the video very randomly some words of affirmation that I kind of, I don't know, maybe I'm aging myself here, but back in the day, the Saturday Night Live, when it was still decent to watch, had a character played by Al, what do I want to say, Frankenstein? Al Franken. And he used to look in the mirror and say, "I'm good enough, I matter," or stuff like that, like words of affirmation. And it was like a reoccurring character, and I don't know why that even popped into my head. But yeah, so I threw it up there because I was just being stupid. But I got a lot of views, and maybe I'll keep. This video has actual topics that are relevant to crypto that maybe I'd label it with. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe people like watching videos that are positive. So I guess that's why a lot of people are posting pump videos all the time. The Bitcoin moon boys, which, trust me, I mean, I want to be a moon boy. I want to be a moon boy all the time. But I know I've been a little bit of a bear for a very long time, and rightfully so. I don't like to pat myself on the back all the time, but I've been saying for quite a while now that I think I'm very much in agreement with some of the more bearish people in the field, and I think we have a long time to linger in a painful situation, which some people are happy about. Some people view it as an opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin, which it totally is. Looks like it's more than fairly priced here, and it's going to be that way for a while. So dollar cost averaging is always an option if you have dollars to average in. But it is what it is, and yeah, random pause there because I forgot I wanted to talk about something. The dollar milkshake theory. While I'm thinking about it, I've posted a couple videos on this now, and it's not a very popular topic, so maybe I won't even. I don't know. I'll throw it in the title. But the DXY is just going off the charts. So it still looks entirely possible that the strength of the dollar is going to continue rising. Very concerningly, if you've seen any of the videos or are familiar with the theory, if the dollar continues to strengthen the way that this theory believes against all other currencies, it's not a good thing. It's actually has very bad ramifications in the long run. And I don't proclaim to be an expert in any dollar milkshake theory universe, but it does seem to be possible to me, at least, that the dollar is going to be the strongest fiat currency out there compared to all of the other ones. We might be suffering a lot of inflation and some ramifications from printing a lot, but there's a lot of other stuff going on in the rest of the world that looks like the dollar is still going to be positioned to be stronger. Probably too strong for a lot of global functions to keep continuing. But anyways, this isn't a dollar milkshake theory video. Just wanted to hint at that if you're at all interested, go look into it a little bit more, because the dollar is continuing to strengthen. So, with that being said, maybe I keep saying this, maybe I'll try to make another video sooner rather than later, if my health holds out. So, leave me some love. Let me know what's going on. I don't know. Maybe the bots will comment on the video. That'd be nice to see too. Some bot engagement.